Long time ago, when I was in school, I remember we had a lecture on how to maintain good eye health and optimal vision. This lecture was conducted by one of the renowned ophthalmologists in the city. One of the tips given by the doctor in this lecture was that we should wash our eyes 2 to 4 times daily in order to maintain good eye health and optimal vision. The key thing here was that we needed to keep our eyes hydrated. From that day, I had a very strong belief that if I needed to keep my eyes healthy and maintain a good eyesight, I needed to wash my eyes daily 2 to 4 times. This belief was further strengthened by my family, friends and relatives. But it was only recently that I discovered that washing our eyes could do more harm than good. Many people wash their eyes to remove dust, feel fresh and cool. But is this right? Most importantly, is this needed? Let's find out. See, eyes get automatically cleaned every minute by tear exchange during blinking, and blinking occurs 12 to 16 times in a minute. Because of this, no additional cleaning of the eyes is needed. And very importantly, the composition of the fluid in the eye is very different from that of the composition of water. The various eye protecting or eye favoring properties of this fluid get affected when you wash your eyes. Further, your eye may catch some bacteria from the water and you may develop some major or minor eye infection. Various doctor-reviewed health blogs have suggested that you should not wash your eyes daily. The only time you should wash your eyes is when something gets into the eye